Good day everyone. In this video we are going to create a Fiverr account step by step. So basically we will be creating a Fiverr account as a seller. So open your favorite browser and open Google and type Fiverr in it. Once you do that, the very first result will come fiverr.com. So I'll click on that and a website will appear like this. And at the top right corner we have this join button. I'll click on that, and here you will be asked to continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with Apple, or with your email address. So you can join Fiverr with these, or else you can simply enter your email and click on continue. Once you do that, you can enter your username. So I'll mention my username like this, and here you can enter the password. Please make sure you are using a strong password. So once you have entered the password, please make sure it should be 8 characters long, combined with upper and lowercase letters and numbers. And I'll click on join, and you can see I have to activate this account. So I'll go to my email, so I can see I have received an email. So I just need to click on activate your account. I'll click on that. My account has been successfully activated. Now once this is done, at the top right corner you need to click on this profile icon and click on profile. Now people who do not know what Fiverr is a online platform where you can become seller of the services. Please upload a good professional profile picture of yours, and here you can mention in the description about yourself, what skills you have, and from here you can add the skills. So if I type A, you see I have this ad animation and Amazon advertising, Amazon Alexa. You can add any skills from here. You can try to find your skills and add it. And you can also add your education and certification. You can sell your services. There are over 200 categories you can browse to get ideas. How much money you can make, it is up to you that how much work you want to do, and you just need to click on get started to create your gig, and just click on continue, and again continue again, and here you can enter your name. Before making a description, I would recommend to go to your field, go to your niche. For an example, if you are an app designer, then I would click on app design and see how people are selling their services, and then create your account accordingly. You can let me know in the comment section if you need any help. I'll try my best to help you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.